So what we'll do now is we will then select the module. On this one specifically, this BTH community, which is there. Then once you've selected and came into the site itself, that's what it's called. Then you've got on the left hand side your calendar for a specific module, the announcements which will be there. We've got a weekly lessons, which is the structure, and I'll show you now for the whole course. Assignments, forums, resources, a gradebook, messages, site info, and then some assistance if you need some. What we'll do is basically just a calendar. Let me just run through the tabs and just indicate to you this is just a calendar. So what will happen is like here, it will show you due date for when the lesson is submitted, which has been set up for this one, which you can be viewed, and also for all the other stuff which will be set up for each course. Announcements will be any announcements which the tutor as well as the administrator will give to you guys, and you can then also just view it from here or either then from the home page as we have indicated earlier, which it will be here at the bottom. Messages and forums, and then announcements will be here. Weekly lessons is basically the main frame, so you can mainly just work from weekly lessons because what it does, it's got links towards the rest of the program. And what will happen is there will be links now for each video here, so you can always refer back to them and then continue. This one refers to an assignment which is there, also a forum post, and then also to a resource. You guys can just get used to how each one of them functions. So assignments, you can also go here. We will get to that. Forum is the discussion platform where we will have discussions in a class manner between tutor and all the peers which is in the class. But then also resources, which will be all the resources which will be needed for you. Then you also have a gradebook, which will then indicate the grades which you have been submitted to for the work you've submitted and have been graded for that. Messages is basically the same as a cell phone. So you have your received, which is listed here, the messages you have sent, the ones you deleted, drafts, which is there, and then also on top for the compose structure there. So this is the outline for this. I will then basically move forward in the next one to show you each one of these, how to submit the assignment, forum post, gradebook, resources, and then also messages to continue from this forward.